Go. I go to school. You go to school. We go to school. They go to school. She goes to school. He goes to school. Maya goes to school. Play. I play football. You play football. We play football. They play football. She plays football. He plays football. Maya plays football. Write. I write a letter. You write a letter. We write a letter. They write a letter. She writes a letter. He writes a letter. Maya writes a letter. Eat. I eat orange. You eat orange. We eat orange. They eat orange. She eats orange. He eats orange. Maya eats orange. Write. Read. I read a book. You read a book. We read a book. They read a book. She reads a book. He reads a book. Maya reads a book. That's all.